Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and now you're going to know me as PTE instructor as well. Okay? Well, guys, you demanded PTE videos from me, and here I am with my PTE videos, and I'm trying my level best to give you the quality. As you know, in IELTS, I have tried my level best to provide you some quality. Same I'm going to do with PTE. Anyways, today we are going to discuss one PTE question type, and that is repeat sentence. Okay, repeat sentence means they speak a compound sentence, sometimes two compound sentences, but mainly one compound sentence, and you've got to repeat it after the speaker. Okay, although they provide you pen paper, right, but it's not wise to actually write it on paper and then write it on computer. So what you have to do, you've got to actually train your brain. I mean, this is what we call short-term memory. You need to train your short-term memory so that you remember that sentence which contains around 8 to 10 sentences. For example, I would like to go to Canada because it is a beautiful country. Now, what you have to do, think about verb. Whatever they speak, you need to imagine. Once you imagine, you will be fine. Number one. Number two, you need to think about the tense they are using, because tense will help you remember the sentence structure. For example, if I say, I would like to go to Canada, structure is would like. And you know, first form of the verb, and Canada is one word and all that, okay? And then beautiful. So you can easily make the sentence if you remember the structure, okay? Now let's just go on and we start with it. We've got this repeat sentence, right? And this time is only for this activity, not in actual exams. They'll give you that time. Introduce the item type. Now let me tell you about this item type, what this item is and how to deal with it. Okay, now they'll give you a box like this. You will get a box, okay, and say you will hear a sentence. All right, please repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it. Now what you have to do, you have to repeat the sentence as you hear it. What does it mean? I mean, as you heard the sentence, if someone says, today I'm very sad because my dog has run away. My dog has run. My dog has run away. Okay. Now, the voice is sad, right? Well, today I'm very sad because my dog has run away. Somebody says, congratulations, you've passed your exam. So try to copy their intonation, their sound, the way they say the sentence. You need to try to say that in the same way, okay? You will hear the sentence only once. That makes it difficult, right? So if they are missing words, you may lose marks. If you miss the words, if you miss helping verb, if you miss main verb, noun and all that, you may lose marks, okay? So they will give you the status like this. This will start within few seconds, and you can adjust the volume. You will be wearing headphones for PTE exam. They will give you headphones, and you can adjust the volume accordingly. And then after a beep, you need to record your answer, and they say beginning in 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds, like 10, 9, 8, 7, and there you are. You got to start your answer. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something about this, the strategies, how to deal with it, okay? Let's see. Okay, strategy number one, try to memorize the sentence. Not easy, huh? Try to memorize the sentence. You are going to hear the sentence once, and often sentences are fluent, right? So if your basic level of English is not that good, how to actually memorize the sentence? Now see, they give the solution. To do so, let's change the color. To do so, you need to train your short-term memory. Yeah, that's what I said before. You will have to train your short-term memory. Now, what is short-term memory? Short-term memory is like RAM. One is hard drive, one is RAM. Okay, so read-only memory. You need to improve your short-term memory, or we call it working memory as well. How to do it? Through practice. Okay, you know, sometimes some people, like, they work in certain fields where they have to train their short-term memory, and their short-term memory is trained. I've got a cousin of mine who is an accountant, and he has trained his short-term memory that he remembers the numbers, figures. He knows many phone numbers by heart because that is his job. He's trained his memory. So you got to train it actually, okay? and for that you can focus your diet as well. Eat something that is going to help you. Next, we've got strategy number 2. Pay attention to the sentence structure. Now, let me tell you what is sentence structure. The first thing is tense of the sentence. Have been, has been, first form, second form, third form, it's active voice, passive voice, and all that. This thing is going to help you a lot. If the sentence is in passive voice and you know it's past passive voice, so you are sure they would use was, were, third form of the verb, and all that stuff. So structure is going to help you a lot. You need to focus the sentence structure, active, passive. Then there are helping verbs, then there are modal verbs, can, could, should, may, might. So if you focus the structure, it's going to help you. Next, for example, if the sentence starts with their or the impersonal it, if they start with, it is very important to improve your English before going to a foreign country. Now, it is very important. See that, and one more thing, collocations. Collocations will help you a lot. Collocations are group of words which come together, right? So, collocations will help you a lot. You can Google some collocations. Or if the verb is in active or passive voice, knowledge of the word order. Word order means subject, verb, object, helping verb, main verb, active voice, passive voice, and all that of the main sentence structures will help you reconstruct the sentence correctly without omitting words or substituting with the wrong words. Okay, sometimes students, they omit words and sometimes they substitute with the wrong words. For important, they say improvement. Okay, and again I'm telling you, don't just do it as, you know, the dog is running after you and all that. Relax, calm down and all that. And you can make your strategy that I would just pick up the sentence structure and then I would see the noun, the verb, the adjective. Just write verb. For example, if there is noun in the beginning, write noun, verb, adjective, or noun, subject, verb, object, and you'll be clear about it. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Strategy number 3. And what is that? Let's just use the big one. Okay, 1 second. I don't want to buy it now, huh? Don't force me. Okay, what is it? Yeah. All right. So, let's go on. We've got strategy number 3, and the strategy number 3 is pronounce all consonants. Now, if you know what the consonants are, non-vowels are called consonants. For example, A is a vowel, B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant. Pronounce all consonants and vowels clearly. The sounds should be clear. Clearly. Clearly. Sounds. Sounds. No, sounds. Okay. And place word and sentence stress correctly. They should be correct sentence structure, correct sentence stress. Now, what is sentence stress? For example, well, democracy is very important for many countries. Democracy. Democracy is very important for many countries. See that? This is one way. Democracy. Photography. Photographer. Photographer is also coming to that event. Photographer is also coming to that event. Event. Word stress. Okay? Got it? Yeah. I'm going to be good at teaching PTE as well. Okay? I'm learning it. Alright. Remember that in English, sentence stress is usually on the last consonant. Would you like to have some coffee? Coffee. I would like to drink some water. Water. So that is the last syllable. Syllable is a part of a word. So stress is on the last syllable, right? Or important words. I want you to go now. My focus is on now, right? I want you to come back before 12. 12. My focus is there. So you got to see where the focus is. All right. So what we learned today from here, very, very simple. We actually learn to deal with this question type, right? And here we are, repeat sentence, and now you should practice. There are several applications. You need to see the application which is more reliable, and then you can practice over there. All the best, guys. I also teach PTE online and in campus. If you wish to be the part of my PTE classes, you can contact me for that. My WhatsApp number is given. And we also offer PTE test booking across Pakistan. If you want to book your PTE exam, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.